Hi, my name is Louise Paglen. I want to thank you for considering my request regarding the May 21st hearing. Of course, I'm disappointed at your decision, but I did want to bring up a couple things that I have learned in my brief amount of time I've had to research these issues. And I did want to clarify something since I didn't get an opportunity to address the commission about the letter. There were some discussions, and I actually am having my first meeting this afternoon when it probably will be formally retained. I just had a commitment before today. Some of the research that I've undertaken to be prepared for Wednesday evening involved research through the Institute of Government, and I discovered that the hearing is subject to the Open Meetings Law, which requires that it be posted at least 48 hours in advance on the website if the commission normally posts hearings on the website. When I looked at the website, it has not been posted yet, which was, when I started discussions, I was told that the meeting would be at 10 a.m. on May 21st, and it's not on the website, and I'm bringing it to your attention rather than waiting until Wednesday night to bring it to your attention, because I don't want to leave an avenue for that is a basis for an appeal depending upon the decision of this commission that would be procedural in nature. So I did want to bring that to your attention because the Institute of Government article that I read said that it could be the basis of an appeal if it was not in compliance with the Open Meetings Law. The other thing that I wanted to bring up is I don't have the statutory citation, but I've looked at the North Carolina statute that governs these type of hearings, and my understanding from reading the statute is that the commission is acting in the capacity of a board of adjustment. I assume it's because of the size of our county that we don't have a board of adjustment, but that statute does make clear that in a quasi-judicial proceeding, parties have the opportunity to examine and cross-examine witnesses, and so I hope I will have an opportunity to cross-examine witnesses on Wednesday night. It also states that the commission has the power to subpoena witnesses at the request of the parties, and if we had had more time to prepare, I would have probably taken advantage of that provision in the statute, so I just wanted to bring that to your attention and ask you to consider, even though you've already decided to go forward with the meeting on Wednesday night, to consider possibly allowing additional time for another hearing if requested by my, on behalf of my clients, to allow additional time to present competent evidence. Because the research that I have done indicates that the decision of this board is likely to be upheld regardless of what the decision is, if it's based on competent and substantial evidence. And the reason I asked for the extension of time was to allow for time to prepare, interview potential witnesses, and present that competent and substantial evidence on behalf of my clients. So I think it's a very important hearing, a very important decision that you will undertake, and the standard of review at the Superior Court will be based on whether this commission has followed procedures and what the actual evidence that is presented at that time is. And so I appreciate your allowing me to have this opportunity to address you. Thank you. And I'm available if anyone has any questions.
Thank you.
Thank you.